Oh my gosh. I've got the hiccups.
Good morning, Dot.
Good morning, Dash.
Whoa, Dot. Looks like you got the hiccups.
Yeah, I know. I really need a drink of water. I think that did the trick. We gotta try something else, Dash. Dash? Where are you?
Boo.
Ah. What the heck was that for, Dash?
I was trying to scare your hiccups away.
Oh.
Drat. You're right. We gotta try something else to get rid of your hiccups.
Well, what can we do?
We can go outside in our backyard.
But, how's that gonna help my...
Come on, you'll see. We can jump on the trampoline together. That could be a good way to get those hiccups out.
Little help?
Sure, Dot. I'll help you. Whoa. That was one useful hiccup.
Yeah, I guess it was. Gosh, that felt good. There is no use, Dash. My hiccups will never go away.
Oh brother. I thought for sure the trampoline would work perfectly. Hey Dot, are you ticklish?
Sure, I'm ticklish.
Oh, are you? Brace yourself, Dot. Here comes Dash the tickle monster.
Hee 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 ha 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 ha. Dash. Stop tickling my tummy. That tickles. Ah ha ha ho hey ha 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 ho. Dash. I'm begging you. Stop it.
Boy Dot, I didn't know you were that ticklish.
Hee hee. No wonder. Hey. My hiccups are gone.
Yes.
Thanks for getting rid of them, Dash.
You are welcome, Dot. I'm just glad that's over with. Oh boy. Ha 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 ha. Dot. Please stop. That.
Hello! Swim like a fish, just like this. Stretch like a cat, so soft and sleek. Hop like a rabbit, so quick and light. Squeak like a mouse as you jump around. Turn like a tortoise, nice and slow. Climb like a spider, nice and high. Fly like a parrot, soaring by. Roll like a hamster, big and round. Bark like a dog, making happy sounds. Now move like a buddy, beep and boop. Dance like a robot, loop-de-loop. Swim like a fish, just like this. Stretch like a cat, so soft and sleek. Hop like a rabbit, so quick and light. Squeak like a mouse as you jump around. Turn like a tortoise, nice and slow. Climb like a spider, nice and high. Fly like a parrot, soar by, soaring by. Roll like a hamster, big and round. Bark like a dog, making happy sounds. Now move like a buddy, beep and boop. Dance like a robot, loop-de-loop.
Hi there, Dash here. Before we watch some great PBS Kids videos, I have a question for you. Do you know what's special about this week?
Yeah!
Oh, McBuddy's got a farm in space, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there's a cosmic race, E-I-E-I-O. With a zap, zap here, and a whoosh, whoosh there. Here a zap, there, whoosh. Everywhere a cosmic swoosh. Oh, McBuddy's got a farm in space, E-I-E-I-O. There's a lunar cow that jumps so high, E-I-E-I-O. And a gravity-defying butterfly, E-I-E-I-O. So come and join the cosmic cheer, E-I-E-I-O. On Big Buddy's Space Farm, have no fear. E-I-E-I-O. With a zap, zap here, and a whoosh, whoosh there. Here a zap, there a whoosh. Everywhere a cosmic swoosh. Oh, McBuddy's got a farm in space. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, and Buddy's got a farm in space. E-I-E-I-O.
Whoa! Let's try that again.
¡Llegamos!
¡Quiero un helado de vainilla con chocolate!
Yo quiero una paleta.
La mía puede ser de chocolate con fresa. Y yo quiero kiwi con fresa.
Está bien, familia Pig, pero primero vamos a hacer el de Peppa. ¿Por qué el de Peppa? Si yo estaba primero en la fila. Yo lo que pedí fue un helado de chocolate con vainilla igualito al de McDonald's. Por supuesto, George. Vamos a hacerlo inmediatamente. ¡Listo, George! ¡Wee!
Es mi turno y yo quiero uno súper rico.
Ya me había cansado de esperar. Ahora quiero 2 paletas porque demoraste mucho.
Entonces vamos a usar los moldes. Perdón, papá cerdito, fue sin querer.
¡Yupi, yupi!
Ahora quiero saber cuál fue el postre de helado que más te gustó. ¿El de papá cerdito, el de mamá cerdita, el de Peppa o el de George? ¿Qué? ¿Tan rápido se comieron sus helados?
Farm animals.
The cow eats grass, her head goes down. She lifts it back, then looks around. Nod your head up and down too. Follow Buddy, he'll show you what to do. The duck swims left, then swims to the right, gliding gently, feeling light. Swim side to side with Buddy in view. Follow the duck, and you can do it too. Move like Buddy, join the play. Move, swim, jump, and walk this way. On the farm, there's so much to do. Let's be animals, me and you. The rooster sways, he stands up tall. The hen and chicks jump, not still at all. Sway like the rooster, jump on the spot. Buddy says, join in, give it all you've got. The donkey walks, he bends his knees, step by step, as slow as you please. Walk slow with Buddy, bend low like him. Join the fun, it's a farmyard whim. Move like Buddy, join the play. Swim, jump, and walk this way. On the farm, there's so much to do. Let's be animals, me and you.
Hi, friends. Today I need your help solving a mystery. We'll call it The Case of the Missing Sock. I'll be Sure Buddy Holmes. This is my faithful assistant, Watson. Sorry? I meant cat son. Let's investigate. That means look for clues. I put my favorite socks in the laundry this morning, but one of them disappeared. Someone must have stolen it. Here's the evidence we've found so far. This is the other sock. Doesn't it look cool? I also found Sparkle's fair unicorn horn in the washing machine. He only wears it to special events like weddings and space picnics. Wait a minute. Sparkles is a sock puppet. And now I'm missing a sock. I think we found our suspect. My partner and I are investigating a kidnapping. I mean, a sock napping. We'd like to ask you a few questions. Tell the truth and this will all be over soon. Where were you, between 9 and 9:35 a.m. this morning? What size sock do you wear? What does permanent press mean? Sparkle says, he didn't take my sock and I believe him. Are you missing any socks? If we don't solve this case soon, we're all going to have cold feet. I'll keep looking for clues.
Playhouse Disney. It's breakfast time.
Okay, Dad.
Playhouse Disney. We have Trix cereal for the breakfast.
Huh? What is this?
It's a Trix cereal. It's good for you.
No. I hate Trix cereal.
Oh come on Playhouse Disney. It's pretty good for you. Now eat it.
Ugh, fine. I will eat it. Yummy yummy. It's good cereal.
Playhouse Disney, we are done now.
Can I eat more?
No Playhouse Disney. You cannot eat more because you're going to be fat.
Okay. I'm going to eat the cereal. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm gonna eat it. That looks yummy. Oh no. I'm fat. My mom and dad are going to kill me while I see this.
Mom, Dad, can I eat this cereal please?
Okay Toon Disney.
Huh? What happened to the cereal? I gonna see it. Oh no. There no more ball colors. Wait. Somebody eat the cereal. It was Playhouse Disney. Playhouse Disney. Get back here right now. Playhouse Disney. Did you eat the cereal?
Yes I did.
Oh. Playhouse Disney. How dare you eat the cereal? That's IT. You are grounded for life. Go buy a new one because you eat IT. Now go.
Wow.
Okay class. Today is game day, so. If you rated EC. It's for early childhood. If you rated E. That's for everyone. If you rated E10+. It's for everyone for 10+ years. If you rated T. That's for teens, but, if you rated RP. It's rating pending, but, if you rated AM, it's for mature. Okay. So, let's get started. So, Playhouse Disney, what game do you got?
I got my Disney kitchen.
Good job. That game is rated EC. You will play at 7 AM. So home box office. Which game do you got?
I got Pac-Man World 3.
Nice home box office. That game is rated E for everyone. You will play at 12 PM. So NBC and Stars, which games do you two got?
I got Super Bomberman. And I got The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild from Nintendo Switch.
Nice jobs. This games are rated E10+. NBC. You will play at 5 PM. And Stars. You will play at 6 PM. So Toon Disney. Which game you got?
I got a Star Wars Battlefront 2.
Nice Toon Disney. That game is rated T. You will play at 5:30 PM. Go back the NT seat. So Ragdoll. Which game do you got?
I got the Project Cars 2.
I'm sorry to say this. That game is rated RP. You will play the next weekend.
Oh well. I will go back the NT seat.
But the last is Nick Jr.
I got the Cooker's Bad Fur Day from Nintendo 64.
Nick Jr., That game is rated M. That's it. You are bad logo in this year 1998 to 2018. And go home now.
At Nick Jr.'s house. Nick Jr. How dare you bring a rated M? That's it. You are grounded for life. And we're going to send you to Russian.
No, I hate Russian. That sucks.
Too bad. You going to Russian. Go now.
Why did I get sent to Russian?
Welcome to Russian. Have hitter is for unlicensed passengers. Will be na parking.
Ах на. Нафим спакинг Russian, with his Hurelen Gagas in Russian, Canem Y, Lif Egets Anniverset Handhis.
Pluckyhouse. Clique botón para suscribirse abajo.